Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an investor password on MT5 step by step. It's actually quick and simple. So let's dive in. First things first, you want to open up your MetaTrader 5 on your phone. And once you're inside the app, you want to tap the three-line menu icon at the top left of your screen. From there, you head into Manage Accounts. Then you want to tap the plus icon to add or manage an account. This time you want to select MetaCodes and then tap on Open Account. It could be a demo or a real account. Once you do that, you'll be asked to enter your personal details like your name, a date of birth, phone number, and email. After that, just choose your account information, including the server, account type, leverage, and deposit amount. Once everything looks good, you want to tap on Accept and then Register. After registration, MT5 will automatically generate your account details, and on the screen, you'll see your investor password listed along with your login info. You can tap the copy icon in the top right corner to save it right away. Now, if you want to change your investor password later, just go back to the manage account, same thing, tap the three dots next to your account, and choose change investor password. And that's it. That's all you need to know to create or change an investor password on MT5. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!